Hello guys, how are you? So today I'm gonna show you how you can increase your YouTube views and subscribers. All you need to do is just upload the video and select the video like this and wait for it. First of all, just write a good title for your video like this. Then write the description. And after that, upload the thumbnail. Click on the thumbnail option. Click on the thumbnail option and select the thumbnail like this. And make your own thumbnail. Just remember to make your own thumbnail. And then use as many tags as you can. You can use 500 words, letters. Use some good tags like this. You can add more. And let me show you the thumbnail I made. Here is the thumbnail that I made for my video. You can make a thumbnail like this. You can add the 2021 title and these PNG photos and then this writing. And let's get back. You can add 2021 or the year you are uploading the video, and you can use some random words like best video or something, just like this. Or you can use capital alphabets like this. And select the age restriction, and then remember, always add the end screen of your video, just like this. You can select any video you want and then save and next, and that's pretty much it. And then just upload your video. Thank you so much for watching.